What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am your host, Damon, and today we are back and we are reacting to more Chainsaw Man. Ooh, I'm loving this show. So yeah, we are back reacting to episode 3 of Chainsaw Man, Meowy's Whereabouts. Interesting title. In the last episode, we got introduced to some new characters. We got Aki and we got Power, who I'm loving already. Power seems like she's going to be a very fun character to be around and have in the show. So I'm excited to get to see more Power, more Aki, more interaction, see how the dynamic builds between our characters, and see, how this story shapens up even more and where it takes us from here. So, but our boy Denji, he's finally found his purpose in life. He is one of the cultured ones, and his purpose in life is to be embraced and to be so enamored, and he wants to touch boobs. He wants to touch boobs. So Denji's found his purpose in life. He wants to be the boob man. He wants to cop a feel. I think particularly in Makima's, but maybe he'll settle for Power too. He zoomed in. He saw what she was packing, and he quickly welcomed her to work with him. So gotta love Denji. But yeah, that's where we are. And Aki really doesn't seem to like Denji because Denji's not taking it as seriously as Aki wants him to, or as seriously as Aki is. Seems Aki is we don't really have his backstory yet, but it seems that he may have experienced some type of tragic experience with a devil. I keep relating this to Demon Slayer. May have had some type of tragic experience with the devil to where he's now on a quest of revenge. It's kind of been hinted at in the last episode. So we'll see how that shapes up even more. Don't really have a good gauge on Makima yet. Is she nice? Is she good? Is she scary? Is she a menace? I don't know. I'm not getting the best vibes from her, honestly. She seems nice on the surface sometimes, but she also seems cold as well. So I know after the 30 seconds we saw her in episode 1, I was like, ooh, I love her already. I like her character design still. I think her character design is amazing, but as I don't know yet. I don't know. I'm kind of scared away from her. But Power, I'm feeling. She just seems like a fun character, and she should be scary. She's a fiend. Oh yeah, that's one thing. Power is a fiend, which means she's a devil that's taken over a human corpse, but she has rationale. She's not going to be out here being batshit crazy to your everyday people. And I believe the last episode was titled Arriving in Tokyo, so I'm assuming, and this has been a question I've been asking all throughout the first 2 episodes, what is our setting? What world are we in? It seems like it's Earth and we just have some devils. Maybe we'll get some insight as to where these devils came from, why they exist, so on and so on. But I'm kind of curious about that because it's not something that you typically see, and they didn't really give us any groundwork for it. In shows like Demon Slayer, it's said in episode 1 that demons hunt, demons also roam the lands at night and whatnot, and it also said how demons, how they multiply, how they come about. We haven't really got that here with the devils yet, so I'm still interested to see how that will unfold. But yeah, I think with all that being said, I think we could just hop into this next episode. But before that, I just want to encourage you guys to go check out the Patreon if you haven't already. The link will be in the description below. Over there, you can check out the full uncut reaction to this episode, as well as other uncut reactions to Chainsaw Man and other anime such as Bleach, I was about to say Chainsaw Man again. Bleach, Spy Family, My Hero Academia, and many more. We're also trying to bring more anime to the rotation. I'm thinking of Jujutsu Kaisen, Haikyuu, Mob Psycho, Hunter x Hunter, There's a ton of shows. Black Clover, maybe. I don't know. I've never seen any of these. Fire Force, Doctor Stone, Vinland Saga. I know these shows have been well received. I've never seen them though, and I want to be able to experience them with you guys and get a good, fresh experience from it. So, with that being said, the Patreon will be in the link in the description below. You can check that out. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, let's just hop into episode 3, Chainsaw Man. I'm ready for it. Let's go. Love this anime already. It's already good. So gory. All right, episode 3. Yep, there goes that devil that Power just obliterated. Brains just all over the concrete. Oh, Makima's here now. I was going to say she looks happy, but now she doesn't. So they're not allowed to kill devils. Power was the blood devil. Okay. Gets worked up pretty easily. See, she just seems so scary. Yeah, they just seem like they'll be a fun duo. Okay, Makima caked up over there. Yeah, they draw her so scary, yo. She's scared of Makima, seems like. She looking at the boobs again. See, like Power she just I don't know. I like Power. She's just a child, it seems like. She doesn't really know things. Dang, he couldn't even go to the vending machines before? Okay, so Power likes cats and does not like humans. She hates humans. Why would she take over a human corpse? Yeah, so she doesn't want to work for Makima either, but so Makima must be super strong. Yeah, Denji likes dogs. She likes cats. Oh, that's all it takes. Oh my gosh. All it took was the booze to get him so animated. It's just fun. I like this. I just like this part of them dancing. Alright, that's a fun opening. I love that opening. Leave is approved. Get Power some PTO. Okay, so she can't take leave without the presence of someone else, it seems. This man has a one-track mind. No, I mean, he's literally his heart, though. My man Denji is simping hard. I hope so. I think these two characters are fun. They have a fun dynamic. So who's the promising and who's the interesting? Okay, Denji's the interesting. So these are the guys that are trying to dissolve the special unit that Denji is now a part of. Denji, Power, and Aki. Aki's unit. Just disgusting. Not interesting. Yeah, it's not like she's seen what he can do yet. I mean, she saw all the dead devils up there, I guess, but or I wonder if that zombie devil was like a high rank devil or something. All devils are born with names. A card devil. Okay. A chainsaw devil. Okay. So, however dangerous the object may be, she thinks will make how dangerous that potential devil could be. Gotta get some more Aki backstory. Are they really? Or is this another setup? I don't see why Power would want to set him up, though. Because it seems like, because it doesn't seem like it'd be in Power's best interest if something happens to Denji. Some seems fishy. Seems like another setup to me. Ugh. Got him. But yeah, this was another setup. Denji realized it a second too late. Okay. Maybe Power's not all cracked out what I thought she would be. The bat? Is that what they said? The bat devil? Oh my gosh, that thing is huge. Oh, that thing is ugly. The wound that your kind gave me. Oh. Oh, because he's part devil? Maybe his blood isn't good anymore? Or maybe Denji's blood just doesn't taste good? But that did allow him to heal. What is the play here? Did she... Did she really set him up, or is she... Hmm. Yeah, okay, so the cat was a real thing? Please don't say the cat's already been eaten. Oh, there goes Meowy. No. No, don't do me, don't. Not Meowy. Oh. Meowy's had it rough. Ugh. So this is Power after she became a fiend. I wonder if that was her old body that she was sitting on. Oh, whoa, whoa. Holy shit. So, how long ago was this? He didn't bite. We didn't see blood, so I'm hoping Meowie's still alive. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see animals, like real animals, cats, dogs, pochitas. Don't want to see them getting killed like that. But you didn't bite. How can you taste the blood? The blood of children, oh my gosh. Where do devils come from? Give me my tits back. Oh. Uh-oh. There was a time I couldn't find Pochita. Pochita. Pochita, don't do this. We need more Pochita. Gets me every time. Is the chainsaw coming out your fucking dome, though? Oh, you didn't notice? I'm the main character of the show. Okay, who is this? Just some random that got murked. Thanks to Denji. Oh, she's still alive. Oh my gosh. The one thing on his mind. Oh. Yo, imagine getting off work and you just see this thing flying at your car, yo. Oh my gosh. I couldn't. Animation is clean. People are scared of him, but Denji has his sanity, his humanity, even in that form, which is good. Oh. Oh. Okay, so he's learning about his powers here. Oh, damn. So this is interesting. Oh, ugh, that's so ugly. Ugh. Oh, ugh. Ugh. What a weird frame to pause that. So one of the questions I had in the first episode, when Denji first used his chainsaw powers, was if he would get any other physical enhancements um, due to his new power. And just looking at this sequence of scenes that we had here, him literally picking up a car and throwing it, it seems that's the case. He seems he also has some type of super strength, when he's in his chainsaw. I'm assuming it's only when he's in his chainsaw form. Maybe it's when he's not as well. I don't know. And his chainsaw's retracted, which are interesting. So he can pull them back. I don't know if he consciously knows how to do that or not just yet, because it seems like he was surprised when it happened. We do know that when Makima found him in his full chainsaw form, whenever she hugged him, it seemed to melt his form away. I don't know if that was Makima's doing or a time limit, or not really sure what happened there. So we still got a little bit to learn there. But if he is able to retract them in some way, then maybe if it was Makima who did it at first, then he won't need her around to be able to go in and out of this form. That's kind of where my thoughts are, at least so far from what we've seen. But I guess we'll continue to see more as we progress. But let's get back to it. You're done, buddy. Nope. Now that Denji has something to say. How am I still alive? You must not have heard about me. I'm the main character. So they haven't grown back out of his arms yet. Unless they're about to. Oh, there they go. One track mind. I like this track. I hope he stays slapping in this show. Okay, Mappa doing their thing with the animation. I know some of it's kind of like CG 3D-ish models, but it still seems fluid and looks really good, so. Ooh. Oh, you're done. Ugh. Denji looking clean. Okay, so where's Power? Oh, that can't be the... How they do that? Okay, so... So I don't think I've watched the opening for episode 2, so I'm going to have to go back to that at some point. I do think I heard that these openings are different for every episode, so I actually do want to check them out. So did I just say opening? The endings for these are different each episode, so I do want to check these out going forward, and I'll have to check out episode 2 ending at some point, but let's watch it. I don't know if the songs are different or if it's just the visuals. I didn't watch it last episode, so that's the Bat Demon. So specific to the episode we just watched, maybe? Okay, seems a little trippy with all the colors. Pochita! Wasn't expecting that switch up. I don't know. That seems like fake news. I don't see Makima as some angelic figure. We got Naruto, Sasuke, and Sakura right there. Team 7. Pochita! Okay, that's the episode. That is the episode. All right, so that is episode 3 of Chainsaw Man, and how could they do that to us? How could they leave us on that cliffhanger? Is Power okay? Is Meowy's okay? I need to know this. I'm assuming Power's okay. It seems like she's going to be an integral character, one of our main characters, as we can see in the opening, as we can see in the ending. They're not going to kill her off like that. But still, I need to see it. Ooh, hiccups, excuse me. But that was a cool episode. So we got Power double-crossing Denji. Excuse me. Setting him up. Seems like Power made a deal with this Bat Devil at some point. Actually, no, we saw it. Power made a deal with this Bat Devil pulled up on her when she was just chilling on the roof with her cat, and it came, kidnapped the cat, and said, "You're not getting it back until you give me a human," basically. Will he hold up to it? Doesn't seem like it, since he seemingly swallowed the cat whole as well as Power. So you can't trust these devils out here, man. You just can't trust them. But hopefully Power and Denji are able to sort things out. I really hope that they're able to develop as two characters, grow, and their dynamic build even more, their chemistry build even more. I think they're both interesting characters. I think they're both fun characters, and I think it'll be a fun dynamic between the two. And it'll just be a fun team. Aki, honestly, well, nah, it's not really. I was gonna say I'm drawing comparisons to Naruto, and I said it even in the ending thing when I saw the three there. But their characters really aren't like Naruto, Sasuke, Sakura. But even still, I think they could be a fun dynamic as a group together. So I'm hoping that they can sort things out, and they can continue to just grow as a team. But it does seem like Power has her own hidden agendas as well. She's not really fond of humans. In fact, she said she hates them. So how will that impact her and her growth, along with Denji and Aki and the rest of the public safety double hunters? Who knows? We know that Makima seemingly has them on a very short leash, although we haven't seen her enact any type of punishment towards them yet. She just seems like she's ready to at any given moment. Like, we can see Power is very, very afraid of her. So what is Makima capable of? She does seem to be the head honcho there. She seems like she's pretty strong. We haven't seen it yet. We haven't really seen Aki's strength yet, but Aki is the head of this unit, so you would think that he's pretty strong. And Aki still looks up to Makima, so I don't know. Scary vibes from Makima. I was feeling her the first episode just based off her character design from like the 30 seconds we saw of her, but after these last two, she's kind of scary to me, so I don't know. But Power, she just seems more fun. I really would like to have more of her in the show, so hopefully, once we beat this Bat Devil, we get her back and we can get some character development from her, maybe have her more accepting of Denji, and they can work together and just continue to build from there. Anything else? I think that's pretty much it. There was the bit Makima meeting with, I don't know exactly who she was meeting with, someone in the government. And seemed like she was giving them a slight briefing of I don't know if briefing's the right word, but she was giving them, telling them about Denji, and letting them know, how he's faring so far. So they're aware of him. It was said earlier that they're trying to dissolve this unit, so it seems like they'll be wanting, frequent updates, and they want good results for whatever this unit is supposed to accomplish. So hopefully that's something that they can produce. Denji and Power and crew can produce, but that will remain to be seen. But I think that's about it. It was a good episode. I liked it. I can't wait to watch the next one. It's a fun ride so far. I'm tuning in for this every single week. I hope you guys are as well. And I hope you guys are tuning into these reactions every week. And if you like them, show some support. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. It really means a lot to me. I would really appreciate it. And also, if you haven't checked out the Patreon, please go check it out. We're reacting to this over there. We have it fully uncut along with other shows such as Bleach, Chainsaw Man, Spy Family, My Hero Academia. We want to bring on other shows like Jujutsu Kaisen, maybe Haikyuu, Hunter x Hunter, Black Clover. We have what else do we want to watch? Maybe Dr. Stone, Vinland Saga, Mob. It's a lot of shows I haven't seen that I want to check out. Hopefully I can check them out with you guys. So yeah, join the Patreon. We're growing, we're building. It's going to be a fun party. And with that, I will see you guys on the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great rest of your day. Peace out.